In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an outstanding cold email template inside N8n to automate your outreach and make your emails feel highly personalized. Start by opening N8n and creating a new workflow. Add a schedule trigger if you want it to run automatically, or a manual trigger if you're testing the setup. Next, connect a Google Sheets node to load your leads. This usually includes fields like name, email, and company. These will be used to personalize your cold emails. After that, add a split in batches node so your workflow processes each lead one by one instead of sending everything at once. Now add an AI node such as OpenAI or an AI agent. This is where your cold email template comes into play. You'll provide a structured prompt that tells the AI how to write your email. Inside the prompt, include instructions like greeting the recipient by name, adding a personalized hook about their company, presenting your value proposition, and ending with a soft call to action. You can also insert dynamic fields like name and company using N8n expressions. Once the AI generates the email, connect a send email node using GAML or SMTP. Map the AI output into the subject and message fields so each email is automatically personalized. Next, add a Google Sheets update node to mark each lead as sent so you don't email the same person twice. Run the workflow with a few test leads to make sure everything works correctly. Check that the emails are personalized and formatted properly. When everything is ready, activate the workflow. N8n will now automatically generate and send cold emails using your template, saving you time while keeping your outreach personalized. And that's how to use an outstanding cold email template in N8n Load Your Leads. Use AI to generate personalized messages and automate your entire outreach workflow.